Hello, my friend, support. I am Dr. Mohammed Sohel, MSCOO7 version. Welcome to science class. As a student of science, I wanted to take flavor every ounce of science. Not creative things say that is part, that is knowledge, that is lesson, that is period, that is an art. As a mystery, we have the one in the creator except for the other creation last time. What is science? Science is anything, any matter, any event, any problem, any occurrence can solve by logic, document, database, mathematics, calculation, with proof, and with experiment. That is science. What is the branch of science? For example, space and time. Then energy. Then you know that atom. Then you know that prokaryotic cell like virus, bacteria, microorganism. Then eukaryotic cell like pea, botany. Then eukaryotic cell like animal, zoology. Then Homo sapiens or human sapiens or human medical science. So what is time? Time is more valuable creation. Created by creator can change, can correct, can control, can destroy. How time destroy? If one and only creator is allowed created me by chrome, the English meaning chrome is started. If destroyed by fire chrome, the English meaning fire chrome, the fire chrome English meaning is destroyed. Creation destroyed. If creator destroy me by fire chrome, then I am not present in there. That imagination. My time also, creation time also is. What is space? Space also creation, creation space also creation, created by creator, can change, can guide, can control, can increase, can decrease. Creation space is an entity created by creator, can change, can guide, can control, can destroy by creator. What is energy? Energy also creation, created by creator, can change, can guide, can control, can destroy by creator. What is the criteria of energy? Energy go to the one form to another form, one type to another form. How? That is, this can be elaborated by physics. An energy like blue energy. What is the blue energy? Space energy. Lighter than the dark energy. Occupy the space. Beginning of the day, ending of the day, we see blue energy. What is dark energy? Dark energy also creation. Blue energy. Dark energy also creation, created by creator. Blue energy also creation, created by creator, can change, can guide, can control, can destroy. Occupy your creation space, lighter than the dark energy. And blue energy, at the beginning of the day, at the ending of the day, we see blue energy. Blue energy contains blue metal. Blue metal contains we found blue dot. What is dark energy? Dark energy also creation, created by creator, can change, can guide, can control, can destroy by creator. Dark energy contains dark matter. Dark matter contains dark element, or dark element contains that dark element contains that dark matter contains dark element, or dark unit, or quark, or neutrino. Neutron adding, you know that neutron adding with friction, proton adding with friction, electron, collection of neutron, proton in atomic nucleus with atomic life, and outer orbit electron in outer atomic case, and atom. If you found fast atom, hydrogen atom, one hydrogen, one electron, proton, neutron, stable hydrogen atom. Then fusion reaction we found all atom. In our art, not only art but the sun, not only sun but also moon, not only moon but also our solar planet, not only solar planet but also our Milky Galaxy, not only Milky Galaxy but also our universe, not only universe but also multiverse, not only multiverse but also multiverse. Why survive our creation? Our universe remain in creator now. And Kedor house center there is a Kedor chair, plotting and water. Kedor sit down. Okay, my friend and Samuda, now what is criteria of dark energy? Dark energy deeper than the blue energy, lighter than the light energy. Dark energy looks like dark, and in case of blue energy look like blue. Dark energy at night we see dark energy in art or on art or off art. We see dark energy at night. Night dark energy is lighter. It is lighter than the light energy. Now we go to the energy. Energy of creation created by creator can change, can correct, can convert, can destroy by creator. Should have criteria go to the one form to another form, one type to another type, by the law of creator, by the permission of creator. And physics elaborated about that. What is atom? Atom also creation created by creator, can change by creator, can correct, can convert, can destroy by creator, can increase, decrease by creator. What is the criteria of atom? Atom should have criteria. Atom should have inner atomic, stable atom, inner atomic nucleus. In nucleus there is a neutron, proton, and outer case there is a outer orbit. Outer case there is outer orbit, there is zero. Collection of neutron, proton in atomic nucleus with atomic light, and outer orbit with electron with atomic outer coverage. That is called an atom, stable atom. And if we found one atom, hydrogen atom, one electron, proton, stable atom, by fusion reaction we found all atoms. Fusion reaction is adding reaction. Fission is minusing reaction. Hydrogen, we found that helium. And if reversed by fission reaction, we found from helium to hydrogen atom. And two hydrogen atom fused by fusion reaction, we found helium. Then helium we break down by fission reaction, we found two hydrogen atoms. Now, chemistry describe elaborated there. What is prokaryotic cell? Microorganism. Microorganism also creation created by creator, can change, can correct, can control, can destroy by creator, can increase, can decrease by creator. Microorganism should have criteria. In case of microorganism like bacteria, plasmid, bacteria is plasmid, also flagella, also outer cover is cell membrane, and they are prokaryotic life. No membrane bound organism, no nucleus. In case of virus, bacteria is usually micrometer, virus is usually nanometer. Virus also outer cover is, inner cover is. Virus have two types, DNA virus, RNA virus. In case of HIV, RNA virus, deadly virus. What is that? RNA, reverse transcriptive enzyme, RNA to DNA. Now virus is usually nanometer. What is eukaryotic cell like tree? Botany. Eukaryotic like tree. Tree also creation created by creator, can change, can guide, can control, can destroy by creator, can increase, can decrease by creator. Tree should have criteria. Tree unit is called plant cell. Plant cell have chloroplast, big vacuum. Also plant cell, chloroplast, big cell oval. What is animal? Botany describe elaborated about that. Now, what is animal? Animal also creation created by creator, can change, can correct, can control, can destroy by creator, can increase, can decrease by creator. Animal unit is called animal cell. Animal cell have nucleus, also mitochondria, no chloroplast, no cell wall. In case of cell wall, cell membrane. And animal cell have chromosome. Now what is human? Human Homo sapiens. Scientific name of human Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens also. Human also creation created by creator, can change, can guide, can control, can destroy, can increase, can decrease. Human immunity cell. Human immunity cell. Human cell also in the nucleus. In nucleus there is a chromosome, 46, 44 autosome, 1 left chromosome, in case of male XY, in case of female XX. Then in nucleus there is a nucleolus, nucleoplasm, also in cell protoplasm, also nucleoplasm and protoplasm, that is called cytoplasm. In nucleus there is a cell membrane, Golgi or protoplasm. There is a mitochondria, endoplasm, reticulum, smooth endoplasm, reticulum, rapid reticulum, lysosome, ribosome. What is the work of ribosome? Protein synthesis. What is the Golgi apparatus? Storage of protein. What is endoplasmic reticulum? Rapid smooth endoplasm. What is the ATP? ATP, powerhouse of ATP. Produce adenosine type oxygen. How? With oxygen and glucose. In hot we eat like carbohydrate. Carbohydrate found in bread, like food like bread or boiled rice or flour. From that we found carbohydrate. Carbohydrate break down in absorbed by glucose and liver storage that glycogen. In case of protein fat, also in liver gluconeogenesis, they storage that produce glycogen. In liver, glucose is storage as glycogen. In case of protein, fat by gluconeogenesis. Then glucose from liver metabolism, main metabolic organ, send glucose to blood, and from blood every cell found glucose, and by air we take oxygen, and glucose plus oxygen in cell mitochondria produce ATP, adenosine trifosphate, that is the cell, and cellular activity done. Our body two-thirds liquid, one-third solid portion. Now Homo sapiens cell, human sapien, equal more or less 76 trillion cell in normal adult human. I say equal more or less 80,000 per cell in normal human Homo sapiens. And Homo sapiens, human sapiens or human, this guy will elaborate about what science? Medical science. Now my infallible supporter this guy. In case of science, what scientists say, atom also die or death, or black hole can destroy. But in case of my science, not only atom, but also electroproton neutron. Not only electroproton neutron, but also energy. Never create, never destroy. That is for creation, not for creation. Net amount of creation space energy. Net amount of creation space energy. Energy like blue energy, dark energy, light energy, also atom. Creation like atom. Prokaryotic cell like virus, bacteria. Eukaryotic cell like trees. Eukaryotic cell like animal. Eukaryotic cell like human. And gene, human or Homo sapiens. Gene sapiens, angel sapiens, Homo sapiens. Sohel sapiens, in case of main gender Sohel sapiens, MSCOO7, version and Sohel sapiens or Sohel. MSC, the meaning of MSC Momo sapiens, because of as per I know, Allah knows this, not I am clone of Momo sapiens. MSCOO7 version Sohel sapiens. My female gender, Mrs. Sohel. I am married, no chance to propose. Forever. And love relation is a love relation with my MSC, not other one. So no chance to propose, no chance to destroy. This I request to my mother, sister, brother, also father, brother. I am not gay, so not destroy. Not homosexual. Then my friend and supporter, you science cannot save our art planet, but my science, what I science, what my science, net amount of creation space, energy, atom, properties like virus, bacteria, eukaryotes like tree, eukaryotes like animal like human, human, eusapiens, antisapiens, homosapiens, sosapiens, humans of the MSCOO7 A to Z version as a development, and due to loving creation is a constant matter. Net amount of creation is same. If creator create, then increase. If creator destroy, then decrease. Otherwise, no. That is the fundamental law of creation. Creator, what is the fundamental law of creator? Fundamental law of creator. Creator created by all creation. Creator, fundamental law of creator. Creator never create, never destroy. By creator, all creation created. By creator, all creation change. By creator, all creation died. By creator, all creation destroyed. What is the fundamental law of creation? Creation created by creator can change by creator, can guide by creator, can control by creator, can destroy by creator. But creator is one and only. As Mr. Neil is the one and only creator, so all creation is the most important. Thank you very much.